in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Monroe County in central Georgia, Harris County in west central Georgia, Lamar County in west central Georgia, Pike County in west central Georgia, Talbot County in west central Georgia, Upson County in west central Georgia, until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Griffin, Thomaston, Barnesville, Forsyth, Zebulon, Hamilton, Talbot-Ton, Manchester, Pine Mountain, Waverly Hall, Milner, Woodland, Molina, Yadesville, Williamson, Orchard Hill, Meonsville, Junction City, Culloden, and Geneva. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches with localized heavier amounts are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If you see significant flooding, call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service